Okay, guys, we are ready to go. Awesome. I need for everybody to be where they are. And today we are going to measure angles in full number of degrees using a protractor, then practicing sketching them to a specific measurement. And you're going to be using that with your handheld protractors. There is a protractor online that you will use. That's a perfect tool for helping you with future assessments. I need everybody to make sure their eyes are on me. And I need everybody to show me an acute angle. Very good. I like how you showed me your acute angle. Braylon decided to show me his acute angle with his hands. Okay, that's fine. And then Julia, she decided to show me her acute angle with her arms. Perfect. An acute angle is what? What is an acute angle? Levi? Very good. So that's something that we've already gone over. An acute angle is less than 90 degrees. Please show me an obtuse angle. Great. And Layla, what is an obtuse angle? An acute angle is less than 90 degrees, so an obtuse angle would be so 90 degrees is going to be a what kind of angle? Victoria, a right angle. So an obtuse angle is what? An obtuse angle would be, because you did this, right? Something like that. 90 degrees right here. Obtuse angle would be what? Acute angle, obtuse angle. Greater than 90 degrees. Perfect. Good job, Layla. So today we are going to make sure that we are familiar with that. Oh, one more. What about this one? What is this?
Straight.
This is going to be a straight angle, and that has a measurement of 100. Very good. Very good. Okay. So we have been reviewing our angles and how to use a protractor. What's something important to remember when we're using our protractors? What did we discuss yesterday? What's important to remember, Braylon? Very good. Good vocabulary. So our vertex, where our two ones are our rays meet. These are our two rays. And this is our vertex. And it shows up here. Okay, very good. That is where our two rays meet. What else is important to know when we're using our protractor? What else is important to know? Carly.
You'll have to move the
Very good. So you have to move the protractor where one of our lines, our rays, are here on the baseline. Okay? And so we're able to measure our angle. What I want to point out to you today, give me a thumbs up if you're on this screen. Okay, I'm seeing lots of thumbs. Good. Callie, got a thumb? Are you on the screen? Very good. What I want you guys to see is that, what does it say? Somebody raise your hand and read this out loud for me. Riley, go ahead. So, starting right here. I'm sorry.
measure the angle of the ray that crosses the pressure.
Very good. So, in this situation, we are going to line up our ray on our, what is this called right here? Our, turn and talk with partner. What is this called right here? What is that called? What is this called right here on our protractor? So, turn and talk with your partner. What was that called? Your baseline. Very good. So we have to make sure that we have one angle on our baseline, or line on our baseline, and then we need to measure the angle of the ray that what? We need to measure the angle of the ray that does what, Michaela? that crosses
The protractor.
the protractor scale. Do you see how this ray crosses the protractor scale? We need to measure that ray and the degree of that ray. All right. So as we can see, this angle measures to be what? What does this angle measure to be? Everyone else. 60 degrees. Very good. So it is less than 90 degrees. So this will be a what kind of angle? Go ahead. Acute. Very good. So we have a couple more slides. Try one.
Oh.
All right. So here is a practice. Okay, we are going to practice. We're going to practice one together. Okay, not this specific one. And then I want you and your partner next. What will I do? What are we going to do in this particular scenario? What's the first thing we need to do to measure this angle? Turn and talk with partner. What is the first thing you need to do to measure this angle? All right, ladies and gentlemen, what did we come up with? What do we need to do in order to find the measurement of this angle? What do we need to do, Eden?
Move the protractor so the vertex is in the middle.
Okay, very good. We need to move the protractor because we can't move the angle. We are going to move our protractor so that the vertex is in the middle. And the middle is also called the what? The center. Very good. So move our protractor so our vertex meets our center point.
Please come to the office. Please come to the office.
So our vertex is at our center point, but one of our rays is also on the protractor's what? What is this again? Baseline. Yes, Victoria. You can turn it any way that makes most sense to you. You just need to make sure that your vertex is lined up with your center point, and that one of your rays is lined up with your baseline. What are we going to get for this measurement? What will we get for this measurement?
Yeah.
Okay, if it's different, that is absolutely fine. For this measurement, I just want you to look up here. What would be your measurement of this angle just looking up here, Donovan? 145. I'm glad that you said that, okay? So that's when we just need to go back and review our angles, okay? So look up here. Very great answer, okay? Our right angle, our right angle equals how many degrees? Right angle, 90. Awesome. 90 degrees. What's an acute angle? Less than 90 degrees. And obtuse is what? Greater than 90 degrees. What does this angle look like to you? Does this look greater than, less than, or equal to 90 degrees? This angle right here, less than. So we're going to look at our protractor. As you guys noticed, yesterday, that there are two numbers on the protractor. That there is a number, that there are numbers from 180 on the top and on the bottom of your protractor. If your angle, if the ray of your angle that you measures is at the top, it's going to land on top number or bottom number. What is going to make most sense to you? If it's an acute angle, will it be more near 150 or 30? 30, right, it'll be more near that. So it's not quite 30, so it must be what? It might measure to what?
34?
It's not quite to 30. So 20, 30, what number might be close to 30? But it's not quite 30. Maybe 25? We can use the magnifying glass, but you can be off by about 2 degrees. So we can try 30. By 2 degrees. That's actually my mistake. I saw that it is more near between 30 and 40. My mistake. So you were right. You were absolutely right, Donovan. You're absolutely right. So it's between 30 and 40. What will that be? Maybe about 35. We'll guess it. Okay. Very good. Okay. With you and your partner, what I would like for you to do now is complete the remainder of the questions on this site. All right? That is your task for right now.
I'm on.
Perfect. Perfect. Once you are finished with this, I'm going to receive how you guys did on. I'm going to be coming around and be looking at how you guys are doing on this and how you're solving these. After you're finished with that, I would like for you guys to go back to your seats and try pages 2 and 3 in your angle packet if you have not done so, and measuring those angles. Does anybody have any questions? Yes, Chris. Yeah, so here is your outer line, okay? I'm sorry? Oh, you wanted to show it. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, and then where's our inner line, Victoria? Very good. So you need to decide what makes most sense for our angle to be measured. Yes, Gage?
Way possible, one of the lines longer,
I'm sure it's possible, but we don't have to worry about that right now. We don't have to worry about that. We just try to make our lines even. So I want you and your partner right now to be figuring out the remainder of these questions. When you get back to your packets, this is individual work. So what should our noise level sound like?
A 1.
A 1. That means we're at a whisper when we're here on the carpet, okay? Once you have finished with your partner, you may go back to your seat and complete pages 2 and 3 on your own, okay? So you should be using your math language, talking about right angles, acute angles, straight angles, obtuse angles, what they are looking like, and be talking about what your angle looks like and where your ray crosses the protractor. That is where you measure. Make sure you're lining up your protractors as well. Okay. So you're going to be completing this with your partner, right? If your partner is somewhere else, you may be with him. Are you guys partners, Levi, Victoria? Okay, why don't you partner up with Victoria? So, good job, Jessica, lining up one of the rays to the center point of the vertex. Excellent job. So, what kind of angle is this? Thinking about what kind of angle does it look like? Acute. So, is it going to be less or greater than or equal to? Less than 90. So, would it be 160? What would it be equal to? What do you think? Make sure you're looking at your numbers. So what would be 160? Yeah, use your magnifying glass.